Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to create custom cartoon art in just one click with AI, this video is for you. To do this, we will use Ideogram AI. This is probably the best free Mid-Journey alternative, and is the AI that I personally use for everything. I have some tutorials about it already. This can also be useful if you want to make some money by selling cartoon drawings. Let's begin. First of all, I will go to ChatGPT and I will ask him to give me some ideas. I like the superhero pet idea, so let's go into Ideogram. And now just write the prompt. In my case, I will do a cartoon drawing of a flying cat, but you can do anything you want. Now the most important thing is to add the illustration and anime style. Click the Generate button and let's see what we get. Done. Here the AI generated 4 images of the cat. We could download any of them with the download button at the right of the image. Now I will generate another image so I can show you something. Let's create a cartoon drawing of a girl eating a burger. Here we got the images. Now what you can do is to create a remix. This will help you creating images with similar style to the one you've chosen. For example, I will create a remix of this image. And here we got 4 images with a very similar style. Now we can just click the download button right here and download any of them. And that's how easy you can create cartoon art with AI in just a few seconds. You can also make money by selling this art. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.